another vlog. We're at the house residence of King Ishmael. I know it. I wish this thing would stop being down all the time though. What's wrong with it now?
Thermostat.
You got a man bun? Where you going? Where you going? Say hi to the vlog. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Hey, that's what I'm talking about. Alright, so what we got going on today? Oil change. Oil change. Yeah, we're gonna put this in there.
Right here.
It's gonna sit right there. We're gonna put that right in there.
We just gotta clock it, man.
You gotta clock it. And yeah, I wish they had a turbo kit that wasn't so expensive for this car.
Tony got it 18 bands.
Yeah, I don't want to pay 18 bands for
shit's
it.
crazy.
I'm good. So this is what we got going on today. We're gonna do the oil change, and we gotta replace, what is it, the oil sensor? Yeah, the oil sensor. The oil sensor. The oil level sensor. We gotta replace the oil level sensor, do an oil change, and then we're gonna go get some cinematic pics and videos of the E92 in its base form before I start, you know, it up. Quick little spoiler, this car is getting a blower soon. I don't know which blower I'm gonna get, but it's definitely getting a blower. And guess who's gonna help me install it? There he is. Oh, ow, camera. I got all my tools in the back, all my camera equipment, and my new friend here. What's your name, bro?
It's Khalil. You already know.
What's the Instagram? Go ahead, drop the IG.
Khalil. Go ahead.
Drop the IG.
Divine E9X.
They're gonna be helping me film this beautiful beast in its base form today after we get some maintenance stuff done. So let's get to it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was a little shorter than what I normally do. It was a little difficult to get the shots because it started raining and not raining. It just kept sprinkling on and off. I really didn't want to risk putting the drone up in the air and then it start pouring, and that's bad. So it was a little short today. I do plan on getting some cosmetic mods for the E92. I probably might get the car a wrap and do a video on the wrap, the reveal color. I gotta get new wheels, I'm thinking about putting a wing on it. Not sure, probably won't. I probably might just leave the carbon fiber spoiler that's already on it. But I don't know yet. We'll see what happens. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna get back to editing today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.